Keep them honest and kill scores. That's what we want. It doesn't have to be a kill shot every shot. All we're thinking about is scoring points. You got it, Jackie. We don't care. Females, you see, we get down, the females get in here and do the same thing. We don't separate. We make everybody killers. Killers on killers. That's how you develop these champions, these high-level athletes. I'm the head coach, Joshua Shepard. We're at Grace Place Gym here in Ottumwa, Iowa. Got a room full of beasts. Happy to be here every day. Right now we're in fight camp, so right now we're fitting the needs of the athletes that are competing. Very good atmosphere. No egos, everybody's very kind. Family type atmosphere, that's what everybody looks for. It shouldn't be intimidating at all. Really cheap for everything you get. $42 and some change. You can do $5 day passes. Generally what we would run would be Monday and Wednesday would be all a Thai basis, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays would be a grappling basis, wrestling and jiu-jitsu. Anybody that comes in and they're new, they are not forced to get into this live situation. We'll actually have people go off to the side and catch them up to speed. Kevin has a professional boxing match coming up. Obviously, David has mixed martial arts. These guys are all killers. Why I love it. They come in, they work, they don't complain.
1, 2, 3. My name is David McKinney, the Flying Hawaiian. I'm fighting for Ignite coming up April 13th. At 155 in Marshalltown. Right now training, we've been going hard. We've been doing all the works we need. I've been working on my techniques. I've been working on my power, my cardio. I think training is going better than ever right now. To my opponent coming up, if I was you, I would just watch out because I'm coming hard.